Hi friends, this blog is to explain how to install Django in Docker. You are seeing directly it from YouTube. Open this link in your browser. I'm explaining it using this website. First, we need to install Docker on your Ubuntu machine. First, copy the curl command and run it in a terminal. Next, add the repository to your computer. Oh, it's finished. Next, run sudo apt-get update. I have already installed Docker in this machine, so I'm not running the complete installation. You must run it. Next, run sudo apt-get install Docker. Previously said I have installed Docker in it, so I'm quitting by pressing Ctrl C. You must run the full step. Next, we are going to install Docker Compose by running these codes. I have pressed Ctrl C because I have installed it also. Then we need to give permission to the installation. Next, we are going to install Django in Docker. For the first, create a directory named Docker first somewhere in your home directory. I have opened home Sukesh Python folder and created directory. Name it to Docker first. Open it. Create a file named Docker file in it. You just copy the names, so why ask you to open the website first? You can easily copy the names from this website. Docker file is here. Add the following lines into it and save. Copy these lines and open the Docker file. Save it. I have saved it using keyboard shortcut. You must save it. Then create a file named requirements.txt. Sorry, not new folder, new file. Very nice. Open it. Paste the following in it. And save. Next, create a file named docker compose.yml. Paste a name in it. Open it. Sublime. Copy the content to the docker compose.yml. Save it. Next, create a Django project by run this sudo docker compose run. You must listen this. We always use sudo commands in front of all docker commands. You must notice that we must open the terminal window in the docker first folder. Now it is Sukesh Python docker first in the terminal. Paste it. Run. Type the password. Oh, that is finished. Now run a chown command to change the permissions. Now open the composer example settings.py and paste the stuff, database stuff in there. Paste the database code there. Open compose example settings.py. Find the database here. Simply paste. That is replaced by our code. And next, add a local host in the allowed host in the same settings.py. Look for the allowed host. Then save. Yeah, that is completed. We have all finished. Now check it by run sudo checker docker compose app. Now open http localhost :8000 in your browser. Yeah, this is the Django launch page. That is our Django installation is successful in Docker. Thank you. Subscribe this channel for more videos.